There's one. Oh, my bad.
Oh, you're good.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to episode of JL Fishing. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's gonna be a great week because we're posting a video out here on Headwaters. My buddy Chad Van Slyke will drop his info in the description. But we not in Georgia no more. We in Florida, baby. Let's go. There you go. Dude, hell yeah. Dude.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You almost ripped the rod
Oh,
away from
I didn't know what you was doing.
Sweet.
There's one. Smaller one. First cast with a chatterbait.
Yeah, he's a pretty good one for what we've been catching.
Damn, made 5. Pretty decent.
Dude, we might have found something.
I mean, that's a first cast with a chatterbait.
The area, you know what I mean? There's an area I just like it.
Yep. 2.5, 2 3/4.
So when I catch one like and I'm filming.
Cool. Talk about a hook set. What was that? Oh, your worm.
Yeah, I was like, right. Dude, throw in that hole right there. That looks like a bed to me. Do you see it? Right here. That's what I was aiming for. He came up and and what's his name? McCoy was like, "Are you kidding me? Like that's more than we usually catch. Like,
Yeah.
it's gonna come out like way better than you think."
Oh, yeah,
The
yeah.
video did. He's like,
There's another one.
"Nice."
Oh, it was way bigger. He just stopped it.
Dude, it looks so cool in that water though.
Oh, dude, it does, don't it? Now we own something, boys.
Some fish. I'm gonna catch some megalodon.
Man, they hook good too.
Yeah,
Like,
oh dude, they're freaking hammered. That one that just ate my spinnerbait, dude, he freaking.
roof of the mouth every time.
I'm gonna flip around and put that freaking whopper flopper on him. God, that's perfect conditions for that chatterbait.
There's another one.
Nice.
That might be a better one. I don't know. Huh?
Decent.
Almost 3-pounder.
Good.
Look right there.
They're not both full. Sweet. Yeah, maybe it's the wind dying, I don't know. Shit, they were waiting there for a second.
Got one. You didn't even move that neither.
No. Look at it. It's a heck of a hook set. Little tiny dude. He was right on top of the mound.
Yeah.
I mean, these are like fish that have been born. That fish ain't even a year old.
No.
Like, happen so fast.
There's one.
Right.
Little one. I never felt the blade move. He must have hit it as soon as it hit the
That's what it feels like
water.
a lot of them are doing. So we found the nursery. Well, that means we should just go back to pumpkin.
Yeah, these are definitely males.
Yeah.
It's where the females.
That's what she said. Or he said.
You could throw a jerkbait in this area.
Yeah.
I bet you'd catch one too.
Like a big one, like a mega bass Canada.
Yeah, like something that doesn't sink a lot. A bomber long.
There's another one up there.
A little better, huh?
I didn't even reel it, dude. I threw it and moved your rods out of the way. It was right on the edge of that clump.
A little better.
Yeah, like, that's crazy.
Like, if you don't get bit at the beginning, you might as well just reel it in.
Yeah. Well, every one of them's on the top of the head. You got a little leech on his tongue.
Does it? Oh, yeah. Huh. Man, there's a lot. We just caught 20-something fish in here. They're in here.
There's a good one.
Right.
I had to reel that one too.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Okay, that's a better one. There's one. I didn't even feel him hit it, dude.
No,
Like,
it's so
it's like I pulled it in hydrilla.
Yeah. Oh, that looks amazing. Keep him right there. Cool.
There you go. There's open water.
Yeah. Cool. Nice. Well,
There's another one.
that was awesome.
I saw him hit. I saw him.
Calls me to like top one.
Yeah. Right, it was subsurface, but it was like in the top half of the water column.
I think he did it just for fucking up. It's like, gotcha.
Another one.
Oh, dude.
Didn't even reel that one either. Damn, he got me hung up. That's thick as
Got a shitload of grass and a tiny little bass. Fucking happy. Fun catching fish, the way the fishing's going.
That's 3 casts, 3 fish.
Yeah.
Basically.
Boy, that's like juicy right here. That's a whole.
Oh yeah. Got one?
What a weird bite. It's just
Yeah.
like they're just there.
Yeah.
It's all of a sudden they're bad. I mean, that little dude, you can't tell me, what does he know? He was born 15 minutes ago. He doesn't know not to eat a f***ing lure. He was like a perfect little bass. Oh, did you see that?
Oh god! I didn't even see that. I was looking at yours. I was hoping that was mine. Go.
Dude,
Like-
that was a good one. He just came on and tried to eat that right
Damn.
there. That's cool they got one on the frog though.
Yeah. Oh, I was looking at yours.
That was a pretty good fish. That was like 3.5 pounders. You're gonna bite better tomorrow, though. I don't know.
It'll probably be 2:30 to 4:30 tomorrow. Whereas today was 2 to 4. Oh man, was it?
What was that?
I hope that's a tilapia.
Was
Hope so.
it? That what I was thinking.
There's one. My bad.
Oh, you're good. I was just like, oh.
I believe I can fly.
Not the position to be in.
No.
I gotta play it.
No.
Back over in front of you.
No.
Take this f***ing weight to my face.
Oh man. He hit it on the pump.
Did he?
Yeah, I'll let it soak there for a minute.
That's what she said?
That's a wrap on day one. As you can see, I got some freaking sun. Backs of my knees are fried. No big ones today. It's post-frontal conditions, so that's why it's pretty tough. But catching quantity, it was there. We caught a bunch. Catching quality, like you saw, one good fish. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. We are here for one more day, and then on the third day of my Florida swing, I'm heading to Okeechobee to fish an ABA. So wish us luck. If you've been here before, drop me some comments, give me some tips, so when I come back I can wax them. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe. JL Fishing is out. Boom! Freaking football! Look at that big old gut. Oh my gosh! Oh gosh, baby girl! Ka-chow! Pow! This feels like a dream. That is a tank. Bam! That right there is why you subscribe to this channel. Click that subscribe button.